Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your left and right earbuds are different. And the first one what you can do is to check if you have the last software version. So open the application and right here you will have this menu, click on your device and right here we have update. Click on it and check for updates. Also said that I have the last version, but if you haven't, install a new one and it can fix your problem. Also, we can perform a hard reset. Go to the Bluetooth and then put your earbuds to the charging case and press and hold both of these touch areas until this LED light starts flashing red. Firstly it's flashing white and then it will flashing red. Here we go, now you can release your finger and firstly we should remove these earbuds from the phone, so click the information icon or settings icon, forget the device, forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device and after a hard reset these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so just click on it at the device list and we did it. And the last one, if all of these methods didn't help, you are recommended to fully charge your earbuds and then check is it fixed. If it's not, you can contact with customer service. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!